Hey there, welcome back to your own channel, Quantum Math. We were doing chapter number 2, banking, and this is the fourth video of the chapter. In today's video, we will try to cover finding monthly installments, which will come under the reverse problems. And the learning objectives of today's video is rearrange formula to solve for P. The same formula which is written here for interest will be used to solve for the monthly installments as well. We need to rearrange the formula to find P, N, R, whatever is missing. Understood? So, this is basically very simple if we know how to rearrange a formula. Solving some common board exam problems for this topic. Okay. So, this is the interest formula where I equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 multiplied by rate of interest divided by 100. Got it? Now, a problem here says that Mohan has a recurring account for 2 years at 6% per annum. He gets 1200 as interest at maturity. Find the monthly installment amount of maturity. Before solving this problem, if I say I want to get rupees 1 lakh after 5 years, how much should I save every month? This is exactly the type of problem we are solving now. Okay, so finding P is also important. Sometimes we need to know how much I should save on a monthly basis to achieve my goal. So that's why we are finding the P. So let's begin. Here, first of all, we will write whatever is given. In this problem, whatever the given items are here. The N term is 24 months and R value is how much? 6%. R is 6% and interest is also given here. Interest as 6, no, interest at the end is 1200 rupees. So, these are the values which are given. But what is missing here? First of all, monthly installments. We need to find out monthly installment, how much he needs to pay to get this amount, and what is the maturity value. Everything else, everything in this problem or this chapter is interrelated and goes back to our main formula, which is I equal to P into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 multiplied by R by 100. Remember this formula every day. Now, first of all, whatever is missing, P is missing. So, we will use the formula in such a way and restructure it. So, what happens here? Let's write P on the right hand side and everything else comes the other hand side. Or we can keep everything here, no need to modify the formula, just put whatever is given. So, I is given as 1200 equal to, what is P here missing? So, we will write P as it is multiplied by N 24 and N plus 1 also 25 divided by 2 into 12 how much? 2 into 12 is 24, right? Multiplied by R 6 and 100 is as it is. So, basically what is happening, 24 and 24 will cancel and 25 1 times, 25 4 times, and this is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 goes there, will become 2 by 3. 1200 multiplied by 2 by 3. This 6 by 4 become 2 by 3, 3 by 2, and it is going to other hand side, that's why becoming 2 by 3 equal to P. So, 3 and this 4, this becomes 400 into 2, 800. So, what is this 800 value? This is our monthly deposit. Monthly, he is paying 800 rupees for the term of 24 months to get an interest of 1200 rupees at the rate 6%. Got it? So, this is clear. Now, what is the maturity value? Maturity value, you know very well how much he has paid for this entire period. That is, total amount paid is how much? Total amount deposited equal to, multiplying P into N equal to monthly 24 multiplied by monthly payment is how much? 800. So, this will be how much? 24 into 800 will be 18, no, 19,200. 19,200 is the amount he paid, and maturity value is also inclusive of the interest that he is getting. Maturity value equal to total amount paid, total deposit plus interest received. So that will be equal to 19,200 plus interest is how much? 1,200. So that will become 20,400. This is the maturity value. I hope this is clear. Right? Perfect. Now, let's do one more problem. Rajan deposits monthly in recurring deposit, and rate of interest, whatever is given here, I am telling you, rate of interest is 8% that he is getting. And he gets rupees 8088. He gets rupees 8088 from bank after 3 years. After 3 years means 36 months. Find the monthly installment. Find the monthly installment that he paid to the bank in the recurring deposit account. So what is this 8088? He is getting 8088 from bank after 3 years. Is this interest or is this money? Whatever total deposit he has done? No, it is the maturity value. Whenever it is given that he gets this much amount after the tenure, it means it is the complete maturity value. Right? These are the things which are given. Now we have to find the monthly installment. Simple as that. How will you find? First of all, we don't have P, so at least we should have. So the important thing is there are two terms which are missing. We don't have interest also. Sorry, we have rate of interest, but we don't have the amount of interest that is obtained. Correct. So these two things are missing, and it makes a little difficult for us because a problem, a formula will solve only for one variable at once, not for two. If both are missing, then it's a difficult one because in our formula we have P as well as I. So both the variables are missing here. We don't have MV in our formula, right? So MV is of no use here in the formula itself. So this you should remember. So in such problems, what we do, we will take one variable. Which variable is common in both the formulas that we have? P is common, right? Monthly. So we will take P as it is. We will not change this. So interest amount equal to P multiplied by N into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12, 24 multiplied by R is 8 divided by 100. 8 divided by 100. So what happens here? If you solve, you will get 8 threes, 8 ones, 8 threes, 3 ones, 3 12s, and further if you divide this 12 and 100, it will be 3 by 25. 3 and this is 25. So this is remaining 37 into 3 divided by 25. So here 25 goes there and becomes 25p, 25i equal to 37 into 3, how much? 111. 111p. This is one equation we have got. Okay. That is 36p. 25i equal to 111p. Now what we can do, we can write total deposits as how much? Total deposits, I told you this is P into N, right? So we don't know P. P into N is how much? 36. Got it? So P into 36. So I interest is how much? Interest equal to maturity value minus this P into 36, right? Maturity value minus uh, how much is the maturity value? 8088. And what is the total deposit? Total deposit is 36P we have got just now. And I can write interest as 8088 minus 36P. This is the interest value. Got it? So now what we can do here, we can, how will you solve if you have all these things together? 25I equal to 111P and I equal to 8088 minus 36P. So we can put anything like we can substitute either P or I. I'm checking which one will be easier if we substitute. 36, 8036 P. Okay. 111.25. Okay. So now what we will have here is triple six multiplied 1 P by 25. Okay. We'll do this only. Sorry for this. I got it. I equal to 111P divided by 25. This is something we can put here in the place of I. Okay. So what we will get? We will get 111P divided by 25 equal to 8088 minus 36P. And 36P comes here. This becomes plus 111P divided by 25 plus 36P equal to 8088. 8088. P is common here. So if I take this 111 plus 36 into 25, 36 into 25 whole divided by 25 equal to 8088. So how much will be this if you calculate P into, if I do the calculations, then I will get 36 into 25 as P value we will get as 200. If I do this calculation, 36 into 25, 25 will go there and multiply by 8088 and these two terms gets added and divide this term. If you do all this, you will get P value as 200 because if you are doing all these calculations, it is becoming a very lengthy video. That's why I am just cutting it short. Just do it with yourself. If you have any doubt, ask me. Just multiply 36 into 25, add it with 111 and this will go there and divide with 8088 and 25 gets multiplied by 8088, whatever is remaining. So what you will get? You will get 200, value of P as 200. What is find monthly installment? This is the only thing we are calculating. So monthly installment is 200 rupees. This is what we can have a different approach as well. I have taken I, you can take P also here in this place, but lesser or more, everything remains the same. We have to do, we have to keep one variable as it is, 25I equal to 111P. Then we have to get another relation or equation, what we can map here. Got it? So that you will get to know one, we can cancel out one variable there only and we can find the second variable which is P. We can find I also now because we know the MV value and the final value P into N. So we can find I, but it is not given in the problem. That's why we are not doing it. So got it? Fine. One problem I am giving as homework here. Do it. I am just dictating it. Katrina has a recurring deposit for 2 years at 6% per annum. At 6% per annum. Monthly, she is paying 1000 rupees. Monthly installment is how much? 1000 rupees. And we need to verify, does she get 25,000 rupees or not? Whether maturity value will be 25,000 or not. You need to verify and tell yes or no. That's it. Okay. Just comment below saying yes or no. I will get to know whether you have done it correctly or not. So that's it, guys. That's it in this video. I hope you have learned something in today's video. If you truly like the content, hit the like button and share it with your friends if you really care. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a nice day.